Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'll be preparing vegan udon soup, a plant-based soup featuring kombu dashi stock. You will need 2 packs of udon noodles, 1 tablespoon of dried wakame seaweed, 1/2 of atsage, 1/2 of scallion. For the noodle soup, 3 1/4 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of kombu dashi powder, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Step 1. Place the dried wakame in a small bowl and let it soak for about 5 minutes. Drain the seaweed completely. Step 2. Slice atsage and grill for 7 to 10 minutes. Step 3. Finely chop the scallion. Step 4. Add water, kombu dashi powder, mirin, soy sauce, and salt in a large pot and bring it to a boil over medium heat. Step 5. While making the soup, add the udon noodles to a separate pot of boiling water and cook them for about 2 minutes. Drain using a strainer and quickly rinse under cold water to remove the extra starch. Serve the drained noodle in a bowl, pour the soup, and place the atsage, wakame, and scallions on top. You can top it with shichimi tougarashi, a Japanese spice, for an extra kick. I hope you enjoy this umami-rich vegan udon soup. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.